Welcome to the HandyMench DIY channel. In this video, we will be showing you how to repair a screen. Things you will need: a knife, a flathead screwdriver, a screen tool, screen rubber, and screen. Start by placing the screen on top of the frame. Cut the screen to size. Leave a few centimeters extra on each side. You will cut off the excess at the end. Use the flathead screwdriver to place the end of the screen rubber into the track on the frame, trapping the screen into the track. Use the screen tool to insert the rubber into the track. Make sure to stretch the rubber as you go so it slides in with ease. Use the flathead screwdriver to push in the corners. Use the knife to cut the excess rubber. Push in any part that pops up with the screwdriver. Carefully cut the excess screen. Your screen repair is now complete. As always, no job at the HandyMench is done without a final cleanup. Until next time,